This is style that inspires. This is performance that reaches further. This is leading technology that connects people to places, and people to their passions. The passion to lead. The passion to build a legacy. The passion to innovate. This is setting new benchmarks and bringing vision to life by connecting to the world and connecting to the moment. This is connectivity. Enter into an exquisite new interior featuring a redesigned galley with enhanced workspace. Experience an intelligent cabin with double club seating for true comfort, featuring restyled seats that swivel and recline. And stay connected through new communication options and technologies while you enjoy personalized audio and video on pop-up touchscreen monitors. The Vision flight deck with new avionics blends aesthetics with leading technology. New canted winglets provide increased aerodynamic efficiencies, while new engines provide greater thrust. All of which allows you to connect with more destinations more efficiently and faster, connecting you with more of your world. With almost 50 years of raising the bar with the Learjet family of aircraft, Bombardier is proud to introduce the new Learjet 70 and Learjet 75 business aircraft. Two new members of the Learjet family of aircraft, destined to become legends.